Hi. Okay, so now that we have the ESAM 58 model rocket built with a B6-4 model rocket engine inside, I've shown you how to prep the rocket. I've showed you up close how the rocket will work. Now it's actually time to launch your rocket. Now, with a B6-4, this rocket is estimated, it's only an estimate, to reach an altitude of about 400 feet. Now there's a slight breeze today. Hopefully that won't cause the rocket to get drifted away and lost. But it's a beautiful sunny day and we're going to go for launch. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition. Parachute is out. Oh, it's not opening. Ugh. For some reason, the parachute did try to eject, but it got stuck in the nose cone, or in the body tube, I mean, of the rocket. Now, one way you can prevent this from happening is by either packing the parachute more tightly. I packed this one loosely, which is probably why it got stuck. And another trick in rocketry that you can do is you can put talcum powder on and inside the parachute. That way it makes it nice and slick so that it will open up more rapidly once it's deployed. But even though it was basically a crash landing from about 400 feet, as you can see, I mean, the rocket turned out really well. I mean, there's no damage to it at all. And all we have to do now is replace the engine, and we're ready to go for another flight. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.